Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're learning how to do a half double crochet decrease. Let's get started. Make a slip knot on your hook. Chain the desired number of stitches. Yarn over and insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. This is an incomplete half double crochet. Yarn over again and insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops at once. You've completed a half double crochet decrease. 2 stitches have been combined into one. Now, let's do this one more time. I'll demonstrate the half double crochet decrease in the next set of stitches. I'll demonstrate a few more times across the row. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of the first row. To start the second row, chain 2 and turn your work. Let's begin the second row. I'll demonstrate the half double crochet decrease again. We'll continue this pattern to the end of the second row. Congratulations! You've mastered the half double crochet decrease technique.